As we reflect on the journey that has brought us to this milestone, we are reminded of the countless individuals who have contributed their time, resources, unwavering dedication to the cause of wildlife preservation and community development. What started as a small event with just 150 people in 2000, the year 2000, has grown into a world-renowned, highly regarded fundraising event that hosts up to 1,500 runners from 30 different countries across the continent. We have, over the years, achieved so many aspects. Just to name a few, we have raised $9 million for the last 24 years. We have
every lewa marathon is a special one, but I think this one is even more special considering, you know, lewa is turning 25. Sometimes we think lewa is just about this race, but this race is just an enabler of amazing work that, you know, the team at lewa are doing in communities. So seeing the work they're doing with women, you know, investing in women who are now able to run their own businesses. Safaricom has been a sponsor since day one, something we're super, super proud of. So, and then it was called the Safaricom Lewa Marathon, yeah. But it's something we're super proud of. And to celebrate 25 years, Safaricom will be more than doubling its commitment this year. So last year we donated 10 million. This year we're going to give 25 million shillings.